Hey everybody, I just had to come on and tell you that I just was on a training, a mentoring training for digital growth marketing. And I got to show you, this was in the chat. Look at what people were putting as how much money that they had been earning right over there in the chat. Do you see that? I am just really excited about this program. So if you are looking for another way to make some money from home, just an extra couple $1,000s a month even, this is a great way. Digital marketing is the hottest skills that you can learn right now, so that you can work from home, you can do affiliate marketing, you can sell other products that you have that maybe from another company that you love. This is a way you could do it. And look at the money that people are making just by working from home and posting every day on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, wherever you like to post. And this is the kind of money that you can earn. So if you're interested in that and you want to take a look, please give me a message below. Let me know, hey, send me info, and I'll get it right out to you.